In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a team collaboration hub in Airtable. We'll start by creating the workspace you'll use to organize people, projects, and resources. Open Airtable, click Add a Base, then choose Start from Scratch. Give it a clear name like Team Collaboration Hub so everyone recognizes it. You can choose a color and an icon to make it stand out in your dashboard. These small touches help your team find the hub quickly. Next, set up the 3 core tables that power collaboration. Create a table called Team Members to track who's on your team. Add fields for name, role, email, and Slack or Teams handle. Keep field names simple and consistent so they're easy to search. If you like, set role as a single select so titles stay uniform. Create a table called Projects or Tasks to manage the work. Add fields for task name, assigned to, status, due date, priority, and notes. Make assigned to a linked record to the team members table so you can connect each task to a person. Set status with the options to do, in progress, and done, and use a date field for due date. Priority works well as a single select, and notes can be a long text field for details and updates. Now create a resources or files table for shared documents and links. Add fields for file or link name, type, link, and related project. Type can be doc, spreadsheet, or link. Use the URL field for links, and set related project as a linked record to your projects or tasks table. This keeps each file tied to the work it supports. Before we move on, if you need Airtable, there's a link to the website and the desktop and mobile apps right at the top of the description so you can download or sign up quickly. With your tables in place, add views that make collaboration effortless. Use the grid view for a full data table. In projects or tasks, create a Kanban view grouped by status so the team can drag tasks from to do to in progress to done. Add a calendar view using due date to visualize deadlines and spot bottlenecks. For resources or files, switch to a gallery view to see visual cards and quick previews. Name your views clearly and, if helpful, apply filters like tasks assigned to me or due this week. When you're ready to bring in your team, click Share in the top right. Invite teammates by email or generate a shareable link. Set permissions carefully. Read only for viewers, editor for contributors, and creator for admins who build structure. That's it. You now have a streamlined collaboration hub in Airtable. Thanks for watching.